Delhi BJP leaders and workers are protesting outside the Aam Aadmi Party's office, demanding the resignation of Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, yesterday the Delhi High Court had stated the grounds of Kejriwal's arrest were not illegal and there is nothing wrong with the timing of his arrest. After this setback in the Delhi High Court, BJP has stepped up the offensive. So clearly, of course, BJP stepping up its offensive, demanding the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. BJP has demanded Arvind Kejriwal's resignation after the setback yesterday in the Delhi High Court. These are live visuals coming in. You can see there Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva at this protest. Also at the protest is BJP spokesperson Shazia Ilmi. Many other Delhi BJP leaders and BJP workers are at this protest. This protest is happening outside the Aam Aadmi Party's office in Delhi. Akshat Gupta is joining us live for more details on this story. Akshat, take us through what is transpiring outside the AAP's Delhi office.
Politics erupting in the national capital. You can see the visuals right there. The BJP workers, supporters and of course, the state BJP leaders are protesting, demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Well, this comes after Arvind Kejriwal faced a setback from the Delhi High Court, which dismissed the petition of him against the arrest. And when you can see the visuals right there, how the chaotic scenes unfolding here on the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Road. It's very close to the Aam Aadmi Party office also, and they are of course holding placards terming Arvind Kejriwal as corrupt. Well, we also try to speak to few leaders out here. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? केजरीवाल का इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं आप लोग?
इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं। ये भ्रष्ट है, भ्रष्टाचारी एक नंबर के चोर उचक्के पार्टी। ये कहते थे भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया, अब तो सिद्ध हो गया। हाईकोर्ट ने भी कह दिया है कि प्रथम दृष्टया इसी ने इन्होंने साजिश करके साजिशन के तहत जो हजारों करोड़ रुपया शराब की दलाली में कमाया था, जो इन्होंने गोवा, पंजाब, गुजरात के चुनाव में खपाया, अब तो स्पष्ट हो गया है कि इन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार किया है। और इसी के नाते हम केजरीवाल का इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं, जहां हजारों की संख्या में भारतीय जनता पार्टी आदरणीय विरेंद्र सचदेवा जी के अध्यक्षता में जहां उपस्थित हैं, उनका इस्तीफे मांगते हैं। केजरीवाल हाय।
प्रदर्शन चालू रखेंगे आप लोग?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। जब तक अभी तो देखो वो जुडिशियल कस्टडी में है, जब तक वो अपना इस्तीफा नहीं देते और उनकी जगह पे देखो मुख्यमंत्री कानूनन तो मुख्यमंत्री जेल से सरकार चला नहीं सकते हैं, तो जब तक वो इस्तीफा नहीं देगा हमारा प्रदर्शन चालू रहेगा।
So of course, there you heard some workers out here of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and there also you can see the visuals because the state BJP president Virendra Sachdeva is also there on that truck. You can see, and of course, they have been protesting, and this all comes after Arvind Kejriwal faced the setback because the court very clearly and strongly said that the evidence which ED has collected amounts that Arvind Kejriwal was actively involved in the Delhi excise policy and the use of proceeds of crime. Well, there you can see the BJP leaders are also speaking. We'll just also try to speak to some few more leaders out here as to what they think of the arrest. So there you can see a lot of BJP workers are also there and some women leaders are also here. So of course, मैडम आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? कब तक आप लोग ये प्रदर्शन चालू रखेंगे? कब तक प्रदर्शन चालू रखेंगे?
हम तब तक प्रदर्शन चालू रखेंगे जब तक दिल्ली की जनता को इंसाफ नहीं मिल जाता।
जी, अभी कल दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का भी फैसला आया, उन्होंने केजरीवाल को बेल नहीं दी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
केजरीवाल जी पूरी तरीके से भ्रष्ट है और वो भ्रष्ट सरकार चलाना चाहते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगी। वो चाहते हैं कि जेल से सरकार चले, ऐसा ना तो हुआ है और ना होगा। तो उनको जो उन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार फैलाया है उसको उनकी सजा भुगतनी पड़ेगी।
So of course there you heard some women workers of the BJP also, and it's quite in the national capital that.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.